Hello everyone, this is Lews Auto down in sunny Thornburg, Virginia. Today we have UU195. This is an 07 Toyota Camry. This one features your 2.4 4-liter engine. 2.4 4-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. It has 121,583 miles on it. This one came to us as a rear end collision. I'll show you that in a second. Let me go ahead and show you the front. I do not have this one running. I'll show you that in a second. It does have a key, but the key is broken, so it does not command the fuel pump to come on, which is great when the auction says it has a key, but they don't specify that the key will not start the car. So we'll come on down here. Let's say it's got a good right side to this one. A little bit of rear end damage here. And come on down the left side. Left side looks pretty good too. A little concerned with this door. I'm going to look into it a little bit more, but it looks like either there's touch-up paint on it or it was repainted. Once I get to inventory, and I'll be able to look into that a little bit more. So go ahead and hop on inside. I'll show you what I'm working with here. You see that little thing right there? That's the key that I got with it. So yes, it does have a key. Will it start the car? No, it will not. So this is your mileage here. We got 121,583. All right, go ahead. We'll probably get some windows down so I don't die of heat up in here. So here goes your driver's side window down. Up. We'll keep it down. I can see it right now, actually. Yeah, so got some overspray right there on the inside of the window. Yeah, right on the inside of the window. So obviously this door has been painted before. Really horrible job. So not going to inventory this door as far as a good door for a body shop. I might keep it as like a walk-in door, but we're not going to go ahead and say, you know, body shop quality on it. Probably most likely going to break it down through just parts. And it was a silver door at one point, is the original color of it. All right, so we got all the windows down. We'll test out the mirrors. Now I come over this way. All right, looks like all that works. Radio. Yep, we got radio too. No disc, so it looks like it picks up your stations. Heater AC control, I'm not sure yet, so they come on. Looks like all that works just fine. Last but not least, we do. Somebody with a smoker up in this car. All right, we'll go ahead. We'll check out our sunroof now. So there's sunroof working just fine. So all in all, pretty good car except for the rear end collision and then of course the repainted door over here. But other than that, everything else looks pretty good. So again, this is UU195. This is going to be my 2007 Toyota Camry. And we got 121,583 on the mileage. You guys have any questions, please call down to Lews Auto. We'll be happy to help you. Thank you for taking your time to watch the video, and God bless.